Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys my strategy on how I am making over $1,000 every single day trading Solana meme coins with this one single strategy. So yeah, that's what I'm going to show you guys step by step right now, so make sure you sit tight and watch closely, because what I'm about to show you is going to be my strategy on how I am simply doing this. So in order to follow this tutorial, basically what you need is access to this website called Dex Screener. It's completely free, just check it out on your browser and you should be there. What you also need is this app called Telegram, and then you will need this bot called Trojan on Solana, or previously Unibot on Solana. You can access it to the link in the first link in the description, so make sure you use that, go check it out. It's extremely important to use Trojan on Solana, because what we need is a feature called copy trading. And a lot of the other bots and Radium doesn't have this feature, so make sure you access the bot through the first link in the description. It will bring you to Telegram. Just send some Solana to your wallet. Once you've done that, you are good to go. So yeah, go check it out, link in the description. This is what you need, otherwise you'll not be able to follow the tutorial. So yeah, basically that being said, let's get into the tutorial. What we're going to do is we are going to make money basically copy trading bigger wallets. So what does this mean? Well, Trojan on Solana right now has a feature called copy trading, and every time someone, the wallet you're targeting basically makes a trade, you will automatically copy trade that trade. And you can of course do this with, for example, call channels, big Twitter people, or just massive whales that are buying and selling, potentially scalp trading. And yeah, basically in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can find those wallets, and also how you can actually enable copy trading on Trojan. So yeah, like I said, you do need to have Trojan, it's the first link in the description. So yeah, first of all, let's start with how can you actually find a wallet to copy trade. Well, first of all, what you can do is simply head over to Twitter and just go try to see if someone can leak their wallet for you. This means you can just simply head over to Twitter, go in anyone's influencer's post and just ask them for their wallet. This is not the best way to do it. I always recommend using a different way, but sometimes this will work. You can also of course just copy trade someone else's wallet, maybe your friend or someone on Telegram that you know has a good track record. So yeah, there are a lot of ways in order to get wallets. My favorite way in order to get good wallets is simply using dexscreener.com. Once I've done that, I head right over here to Solana, and once we're right here, I'm going to filter on the last 24 hours and here also the last 24 hours. Then I'm going to make sure that the volume is set to biggest volume on top, and then I'm just going to click on the biggest coin with the highest volume right now. The coin we found with the highest volume in the last 24 hours is this coin. Once we have found the coin, what we can do is click right here on this little filter icon next to USD, right here. Once you've done that, make sure you select above $10,000. And basically what we're now seeing is all the wallets right here that bought and sold for at least $10,000. And what does this basically say is? Well, it means that everyone here in this list has at least a little bit of money in their wallet, at least $10,000, but most of the time much more. Meaning that they are potential whales, and we all know that whales are really good at making money. All we need to do right now is just find some of these wallets that have basically a good track record, and then we can just copy trade their wallet. It's that easy. So what we can for example do is just look at some smaller wallets right here. This guy bought 70 Solana. What we can then do is click right here on their maker right here. It will bring us to SolScan, and this is his wallet. We can see right now that in the last, he has already about $400,000 in coins and about 44 Solana in his wallet. We can see, however, that this is not the wallet we want to copy trade. It's most likely a meth bot. So keep that in mind. It's extremely important that you don't copy trade a meth bot. All you need to do is see how many transactions he is doing every single minute. If he's doing more than one, it means he's potentially a meth bot. So we just continue to look. We can see right here, potentially this one may be a good one. So I'm going to click on it again, going to let his entire wallet load. And we can see that this is most likely not a meth bot. I mean, he is literally only doing a handful of transactions every single hour. And we can see he currently has about 140k in his wallet. So that's really easy to copy trade. Now what we can do is just click on some of the transactions he is doing and see if he's actually buying and selling. We can see he is definitely making a lot of transactions, And basically what you now want to do, I don't want to go on this video and show you guys this because it will take some time, but what you want to do is basically look at his last 100 transactions and see if he's actually profitable. So what you can do is click right here on their TXN, and then you want to simply see what he is doing. For example, right here he didn't do much. Maybe right here we can see he is just signing some things, which is not really important. We just simply want to see if he is actually buying and selling coins for a profit. So yeah, what you're going to do is just simply do that. Maybe click right here, and we can see right here he is actually making a profit, most likely right here. I mean, you will need to analyze this a bit and it could take some time, but yeah, basically once you have just double checked and made sure that this entire wallet is profitable, you can start copy trading them. So yeah, it's extremely important that you double check that this is not a math bot and that he is not just doing random transactions, because even whales can also lose out of money, of course. So yeah, what you want to do is just double check if this is the actual wallet you want to copy trade. Alright, once you found a wallet you want to copy trade, either through the method I just showed you, either through basically Twitter or Telegram, or just ask someone, a friend of you maybe, if you can copy trade them, we can now actually set up copy trading. To do this, head over to Telegram and just make sure that you have a wallet you can copy trade. I'm just quickly going to copy trade this one wallet I have on Bonkbot, simply because I don't want to copy trade someone's wallet for this video. Alright, once you're in the Trojan bot, like I said, link in the description, first link, make sure you click it. Once you're basically here, make sure you have some Solana in your wallet. For copy trading, I would recommend at least 2 or 3 Solana, simply because otherwise some people are doing a lot of transactions and it could basically immediately make you go bankrupt. So 2 or 3 Solana at least is the minimum in my opinion. Once you basically right here, what you can do is click on copy trading, of course. Now what we can do is click on new. And now what we need to do is give the copy trading basically parameter we're making a name. So I'm just going to give the name Will, just like that. Once I've done that, I need to enter a target wallet, of course. That's extremely important. So I just copy and paste the wallet you found. Like I said, this can be on Dex Screener, but this can be a friend, a Twitter. It's just extremely important that you take some time in order to actually find a good wallet you want to copy trade. Because once you finally found a successful wallet, you will basically be capable of just keep on copy trading him, meaning that you will basically just make passive income. And if you have like 5 or 10 wallets running, that is easy money. So yeah, it's extremely important that you take just some time out of your day in order to actually research good wallets. So yeah, it could take some hours to actually find a decent wallet. I'm going to enter my wallet right here. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on buy percentage. And what you want to do right here is just type in how much Solana you want to buy for every buy this person is doing. I would recommend setting it at least at 0.25, but it's basically just based on how much Solana you have in your wallet. If you have 100 Solana in your wallet, you can of course set this to 1 Solana. If you only have about 3 Solana in your wallet, I would go lower with about 0.1. So it's just based on how much Solana you have. Just click on enter, and right here it's also extremely important that it says copy sells. So make sure that this says yes, of course. Once you've done that, make sure that buy gas is set to at least 0.01 Sol and sell gas at least at 0.01 Sol as well. Once you've done that, make sure that slippage is set to 15, and basically once you've done that, you're good to go and you will now be able to copy trade this wallet. All we do is click on add like this. And right here it will say this green little emoji, or this green little rounding circle or something with your name next to it, meaning it's running. It says indicates our copy trading setup is active. What you can just do is click on it, and then right here it will say active. If you click on it again, it's now paused, and if you click on it again, it's active again. So make sure it's set to active as long as you want to copy trade that wallet. Once you're done with copy trading him, maybe he's just not making profitable trades, just click on delete, and that entire copy trading parameter has basically been deleted. And yeah, that's basically all you need to do. Like I said, and I will say it again, it's just extremely important that you first find a good wallet before you start doing this. Because trust me, once you have found a good wallet, it's extremely easy. So yeah, just take some time of your day. It maybe take a few hours, it might take a few days in order to find a good wallet. But once you found a good wallet that is profitable, it is just an easy passive income machine. And imagine if you have like 10 or 20 wallets running, then it could be a potential massive machine just running for you without you having to do anything. So yeah, basically, like I said, go check out Trojan, first link in the description. You need that wallet, and also make sure to find a good wallet. I would not recommend copy trading me, simply because I'm not trading on this wallet. So yeah, I will definitely recommend just finding it either on Twitter, Telegram, or Dex Screener, or maybe if you have a friend or someone that also trades Solana, you can ask if you can copy trade him. Yeah, that's basically the easiest way, in my opinion, in order to start making money with Solana. Meme coins, I mean, you literally don't have to do anything. Literally, passive income will start rolling in if you find a good wallet that is actually profitable. Yeah, basically, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next crypto meme coin review.